Welcome back to this video. If you are a new user to Shein app, you need to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to simply make use of your first coupon on Shein or on Shein shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you have already install your Shein shopping app. Whether you have Android phone or iPhone, you can do that by simply go ahead to your Android phone, by simply go ahead to your Play Store on your Android phone, type in Shein shopping app. So if you are using iPhone, just go to your app store and type in the app. After you have successfully typed in the app, then you are going to have the app icon on your phone screen right here, just like what you see right here. Click on the app icon to launch the app, and it's going to easily and simply display just like what you see right here. Now, for every new user that have just download, install, and sign up with the app, you are entitled to a free coupon. Quite a lot number of people are not aware of this, but I'm going to show you in this video on how you can use this particular coupon to reduce cost of shopping on this particular Shein shopping app right here. And for you to redeem or claim your first coupon, what you need to do is to simply click on me right here on your profile icon. Then all the coupon you have on your account is going to be displayed under your name right here. Click on coupons. So you click on coupons, you have everything right here. Okay, now if you want to make use of any of the coupon right here, so by my list right here, the first coupon right here is 20% off, followed by another 20% off, another 30% off, another 25% off. One thing you need to know about all this coupon here is that not every item in this particular shopping app fall in this category. But if your item you are looking for is fall in this category, you will definitely make use of this particular coupon right here. Now, how do you make use of this coupon? What you need to do is to click on shop. So when you click on shop, it's going to take you right there. Now you have add items to use 20% coupon off. And this is going to be lapsed in 24 hours. So you need to make sure that you make use of this coupon immediately you sign up with Shein app. Okay, now here, whatever item you see right here, you are getting 20% off at checkout. That is just the meaning. And if you want to buy any items right here, well, let's say for instance I would want to buy this particular AirPod. So simply click on the item and it's going to load up right here. Then here you have detail about the color, etc. So you can check on the different color right here. So this is another color right here. So once you choose the product you want, then you can choose the additional options right here. So once you choose everything here, you choose quantity that you want. The next thing you want to do is to simply add it to cart. So once you add it to cart, then click on go to checkout right here. So by getting to checkout, click on get it right there. On getting to your checkout right here, this is where you make use of the coupon that has been given to you. Just like what you see at the bottom right here, we have check one item, coupon saving. Just like what you see right there, you can see lowest price in 30 days, one item shop. So what we want to do here right here is that you need to simply click on check one item right there, click on that, and it's going to take us right here. Here, you need to make sure you have your shipping address. Once you have your shipping address, then you can go ahead. So you can see it has automatically take me to where I need to add my shipping. So this is my cart right here. We can easily go back to the coupon right here. So we have 4 unused coupon. So so it's as simple as that. You can also take a look at the 30% coupon. Simply click on shop right here. Once you click on shop, it will take you to all available products under this category right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see products in this section right here. You can come to the top right here under the category and then check products by category. Let's say cell phones and accessories, and allow you to load up. Then you have everything right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see everything right here. However, whatever you choose from here, you are getting 30% coupon off. just like what you see from the screen right here, and it's going to last within 24 hours of after you create your account in Shein shopping app. It's that simple. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.